In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find lost or missing emails in Gmail's spam or trash folder. If an important message didn't show up in your inbox, there's a good chance Gmail filtered it. Let's walk through how to locate it quickly and get it back where it belongs. First, open your browser and log in to Gmail. On the left sidebar, if you don't see all your folders, click More to reveal the full list. You'll find Spam and Trash there. Both folders automatically delete messages after a period of time, so the sooner you check, the better. Click Spam to scan for messages that were incorrectly marked. Be cautious with anything that looks suspicious. Avoid clicking links or downloading attachments from senders you don't recognize. If you don't spot it in spam, click Trash to browse messages you might have deleted by mistake. If you're dealing with a lot of mail, Search is your fastest option. At the top, in the search bar, click the Show Search Options icon on the far right, the little Filters button. In the box that opens, use the drop-down that typically says All Mail and switch it to Mail and Spam and Trash. This tells Gmail to include those folders in the search results. Now enter a few keywords from the subject or body, the sender's address, or anything unique you remember, and click Search. You should see results from your inbox, spam, and trash all in one place. Here's a quick pro tip to speed things up. Instead of opening the filter panel, you can type in Anywhere followed by your keywords right into the search bar. That does the same thing. Searches across your inbox, spam, and trash at once. Once you find the missing email, recover it so it doesn't get deleted. If it's in spam, open the message and click Report as not spam at the top. That moves it back to your inbox and helps Gmail learn that messages like this are legitimate in the future. If it's in trash, either select it or right-click it and choose Move to Inbox. That restores it immediately. To recap, expand the sidebar with More. Check Spam and Trash. Use the search options to include Mail and Spam and Trash. Then restore what you find. Taking a moment to mark legitimate messages as not spam makes it less likely you'll have to repeat this next time. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.